May time ba na iniisip mo ako before you go to sleep?
Have you ever borrowed something na hindi mo pa nababalik till now?
Yes.
Oo, nagsasabi naman siya ng totoo.
Talaga na nakakalimutan ko. But like sometimes we like share or borrow stuff and then I forget to return it. Yung number one talaga sa bahay that I borrow from like my siblings, charger ng phone. So never ko nang binabalik yun.
I can relate.
I'm so guilty of that.
Okay. Napakilig na ba kita? Yung as me ha, not my character.
Tanong pa ba yun? Oh! Kala mo ah. Kala mo ah.
Okay, na-try mo na bang hindi kumain muna. Na-try mo na bang hindi maligo for 2 or 3 days? 3 days actually.
Grabe naman yung 3, hindi ko na kaya yung 3.
Let's see!
1 day, pinakamatagal. Sorry. Ganun talaga.
So nice. I'm so nice to you. Okay, another question lang.
No, your turn.
No, sino yun? Go!
Ano ito lang?
Will you let me pluck your brows?
All?
No naman. Like, linis lang. Yes or no?
Now?
No, not now. Or like wax. Some of like your hair. Yes or no?
Do you
Recorded to ha?
Do you want to?
No, I'm asking
If you want to.
So that's a yes. Why am I even doing this? You answer me na. Pag nag-e siya, it means what? Ah, hindi mo!
Belinda Mariano, please.
Una kasi
Sa akin
nasabi ng e.
Okay. Na-experience mo na bang ma-mental block sa set ng HIH?
Yeah.
Kailan?
Kailan? I don't
Always, gumagana yung job.
No, because sometimes like when you're really tired, 'di ba? Tapos medyo mabigat pa yung scene. Talagang yung pressure, it gets, you know,
It gets to you.
Yeah, it gets the most of you. That's
True.
why. Ayun. Yeah, please.
Oh! Okay, very good. Have you ever doubted yourself?
Yeah, of course. Recently? Recently, yeah. Right now. I swear, pag nagsushoot tayo wait lang. Okay.
May time ba na iniisip mo ako before you go to sleep?
Yeah.
Ano?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ano? Oh, grabe naman yan. Hindi, alam ko yung tanong ko. Pwede, huwag ka muna mag-diet mamayang gabi para pwede tayong kumain ng marami.
Yeah. I said,
Oo, huwag ka muna mag-defend. Yes or no lang naman.
I told you.
Oh, thank you naman.
Sana natuwa kayo sa
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Bye guys!